Augmented operator. What is augmented operator? This is called the augmented operator. This is what we call the augmented operator. For example, x equals to 1, x plus equals to 4. When you take the print of x, you will get 5. Look, it is pretty clear from its name, augmented operator, which means to augment something, to add something extra. That's why we call it augmented operator. This plus equals to means that plus equals to. This plus equals to is the sign of the augmented operator. If I take x equals to 1 and then x plus equals to 4. In the first line I have x equals to 1. In the second line I have x plus equals to 4. I have the same variable, but this time I have plus extra. So when I take the print of x, I will get 5. How? Because 4 has been augmented to the x. What is x? X is 1. This x plus equals to 4 means that augment, add this 4 to the 1, which equals to 5. We have augmented 4 to the x, which is 1. So 4 plus 1 equals to 5. This is called the augmented operator. But make sure, if we have x in the lowercase, you must have that x in the lowercase. You must have the same variable. You cannot say that x in the lowercase and x in the uppercase. Or if you have x here and then you have y here, you will get wrong answer. They must be the same variable. But the only difference is that in the second line, for this x you have to put plus. Plus is extra here, which is the sign of the augmentation, which means that add this 4 to the x, which is 1. So 1 plus 4 equals to 5.